Did you know that the mysterious animal living in your home might be much more than it seems? Get ready to discover 20 incredible facts about cats that will completely change the way you see these felines. From science-defying abilities to behaviors worthy of a spy movie, what you're about to learn will surprise you. So, if you think you know your cat well, wait until the end of this video. I bet they still have many secrets hidden. Curious? Let's dive in. 1. Cats spend 70% of their lives sleeping. Cats have a different sleep pattern than humans. They are crepuscular animals, meaning they are most active during twilight, at dawn, and dusk. Their sleep cycle is adapted to conserve energy, an evolutionary trait inherited from their wild ancestors. Sleeping many hours helps cats save energy for moments when they need to hunt or be alert to potential predators. Even domestic cats, who don't need to hunt, maintain this sleep pattern. Additionally, cats' deep sleep is shorter than humans, alternating between light sleep and REM phases, which keeps them ready to wake up at any sign of danger. 2. They can rotate their ears 180 degrees. Cats have a unique ability to move their ears independently, thanks to the 32 muscles that control each ear. This allows them to direct their ears toward where the sound is coming from, pinpointing the source with precision. This is extremely useful in hunting, as they can detect the sound of small rodents or insects even from a distance. Additionally, cats' ears are sensitive to very high frequencies that humans cannot hear, like ultrasound, which is emitted by many of the small animals they hunt. This evolutionary adaptation is part of the set of tools that made them such effective hunters. 3. They have excellent night vision. Cats' night vision is one of the most developed among mammals. They can see with only 1/6 of the light that humans need to see. This is made possible by the presence of the tapetum lucidum, a layer of reflective cells located behind the retina. When light enters a cat's eyes, the tapetum reflects it, allowing the retina to get a second chance to capture the light signal, enhancing their vision in dark environments. This feature is essential for night hunting, as it allows them to detect and track their prey even in low light. Additionally, the vertical shape of cats' pupils helps control the amount of light entering their eyes more efficiently. 4. Each cat has a unique nose pattern. Just like human fingerprints, the pattern of wrinkles and textures on a cat's nose is unique. This exclusive pattern makes each cat identifiable, just as fingerprints are used to identify people. Beyond identification, a cat's nose is an essential tool for exploring its environment. Cats have a sense of smell that is 14 times more sensitive than humans, allowing them to detect prey, mark territory, and recognize other cats or animals. This is especially important in situations where vision or hearing may not be enough, such as in very dark environments or where there are visual obstructions. 5. They purr for many reasons. A cat's purring is more complex than it seems. While many people associate purring with contentment, cats also purr when they are anxious, in pain, or even during labor. This behavior suggests that purring has a therapeutic function. Studies indicate that the vibrations from purring, which range between 25 and 150 Hz, may have healing effects, promoting bone and muscle regeneration. Additionally, purring can serve as a form of communication between mothers and kittens. Kittens begin to purr just a few days after birth, and this may help strengthen the bond between the mother and her litter. Purring is also used to request care and attention from humans, functioning as a silent language of affection and need. 6. Whiskers are extremely sensitive sensors. A cat's whiskers, or vibrissae, are highly specialized sensory organs that serve a variety of important functions beyond their obvious appearance. These long, stiff hairs are deeply embedded in the skin and connected to a dense network of highly sensitive nerves. This connection allows the whiskers to pick up even the tiniest vibrations or shifts in the surrounding environment, such as changes in air currents or the proximity of nearby objects. As a result, Whiskers act as an advanced early warning system for cats, enabling them to detect potential obstacles or prey even in complete darkness. In addition to helping with spatial awareness, whiskers are instrumental in determining whether a cat can fit through tight spaces. By sensing the distance between the whisker tips and nearby objects, cats can gauge whether a passage is too narrow for them to squeeze through. This ability is especially useful in the wild, where quick decisions can mean the difference between escape or entrapment. During hunting, whiskers play a crucial role in the final moments of a capture. When prey is within close range, too close for a cat's eyes to focus, its whiskers step in to detect the slightest movements. This allows cats to adjust their bites with precision, ensuring a successful catch. Even after securing the prey, whiskers continue to help, giving the cat feedback on the position and movement of the captured animal. Moreover, a cat's whiskers are not just functional, they also convey emotional states. When a cat is calm or at ease, its whiskers rest naturally to the sides of its face. However, when a cat is on high alert or feeling threatened, its whiskers are pushed forward, signaling that it is ready to react defensively or offensively if necessary. This ability to move whiskers according to mood reflects their role as an essential tool not only for survival, but also for communication. 7. Cats can't taste sweetness. Cats' inability to taste sweet flavors is due to a genetic mutation that deactivated the sweet taste receptor, T1R2/T1R3, in their taste buds. This is an adaptation to their strictly carnivorous diet. As predators, cats evolved to feed on proteins and fats, which are essential for their health. Instead of sweet flavors, their taste receptors are highly sensitive to amino acids, which are the building blocks of proteins. This allows them to distinguish between different types of meat based on flavor and nutritional content. This specialization makes them dependent on animal-based foods, as their bodies cannot metabolize carbohydrates in the same way humans do. 8. They can jump up to 6 times their height. Cats' jumping ability is one of their most impressive and defining traits, rooted in their extraordinary anatomy. Their powerful hind legs are the primary driving force behind their remarkable leaps. These legs are packed with strong muscles that act like springs, allowing cats to generate an immense amount of energy with every jump. This energy is released in a single, explosive motion, propelling the cat high into the air or across long distances with precision. Another key factor in their jumping prowess is their incredibly flexible spine. Unlike many other animals, a cat's spine has a unique structure that provides both strength and elasticity. The vertebrae in a cat's back are connected by highly flexible discs that give the spine an almost spring-like quality. This elasticity allows cats to bend and extend their bodies with exceptional fluidity, which not only increases the distance they can leap, but also provides them with the agility to adjust their body midair if needed. When combined with the powerful push from their hind legs, this flexibility allows them to reach significant heights, up to 6 times their body length in a single bound. This physical agility makes cats formidable hunters. They can leap to catch prey mid-flight, snatching birds or insects out of the air with incredible speed and accuracy. Their ability to jump onto high branches or perches also serves as a vital survival tactic, allowing them to escape predators or survey their surroundings from a safe vantage point. In urban settings, this talent translates to their ability to scale fences, rooftops, or tall furniture effortlessly. Beyond their strength and flexibility, cats possess an exceptional sense of balance, which is crucial for their jumping and landing abilities. Their inner ear contains specialized structures that help them orient themselves and maintain balance, even in midair. This, coupled with their ability to twist their bodies rapidly, allows them to land on their feet almost every time, even after jumping or falling from significant heights. This phenomenon, known as the riding reflex, is a skill unique to felines, enabling them to adjust their body position during a fall so that their feet hit the ground first, reducing the risk of injury. In essence, cats' jumping abilities are the perfect combination of strength, flexibility, and balance, making them one of the most agile and capable animals in the world, whether they are hunting, exploring, or simply navigating their surroundings. 9. Cats use meowing to communicate with humans. Meowing is a form of communication specifically developed to interact with humans. Wild cats rarely meow to one another, preferring body language and other sounds such as purrs, growls, and hisses. However, domesticated cats have learned that humans respond to sounds and have therefore adapted meowing to get their owner's attention. They can vary the pitch, intensity, and duration of their meows to express different emotions or needs, such as hunger, a desire for attention, or discomfort. Over time, cats become experts at training their owners, adjusting their meows to get the desired response, whether it's food, affection, or interaction. 10. They have a primordial pouch. The primordial pouch is a common feature in many cats, but few people know its true function. It is a loose, elastic layer of skin that runs along the cat's abdomen. This skin serves as protection for the internal organs during fights or falls. In battles with other cats or predators, this extra layer absorbs some of the impact from scratches or bites, reducing the risk of serious injuries. Additionally, this loose skin provides more flexibility, allowing the cat to leap and run more efficiently. Some believe that the primordial pouch may also be an evolutionary remnant that allowed cats to eat large amounts of food in a single meal, storing energy for long periods of food scarcity. 11. They can recognize their owner's voice. Although cats often seem indifferent to their owner's calls, studies have proven that they can distinguish their owner's voice from other human voices. This is because cats, throughout their lives with humans, associate their owner's voice with positive experiences like feeding, playtime, or moments of affection. However, cats are independent creatures and often choose not to respond, which may be interpreted as disinterest. This behavior is part of their more reserved and self-sufficient nature, but it doesn't mean they don't recognize or appreciate their owner's presence and care. 12. Their brain is 90% similar to the human brain. A cat's brain shares remarkable structural similarities with the human brain, particularly in the areas responsible for higher-level functions. Both species have brain lobes that control emotions, reasoning, decision-making, and memory processing. The cerebral cortex, which is the outer layer of the brain responsible for conscious thought and problem-solving, is especially significant in this comparison. In cats, the cerebral cortex contains approximately 300 million neurons, which are the brain's nerve cells responsible for transmitting information. This number greatly surpasses the 160 million neurons found in a dog's cortex, highlighting the advanced cognitive capabilities of cats. These neural connections enable cats to engage in complex thought processes, including the ability to learn from experience and adapt to new situations. Their memory functions allow them to remember key details about their environment, such as the locations of food or potential hiding spots, which can be critical for survival. Cats also demonstrate the ability to plan and execute intricate behaviors, such as ambush strategies during hunting or carefully navigating new, unfamiliar spaces. In addition to problem-solving, the feline brain is capable of processing emotions, which influence their interactions with humans and other animals. For instance, a cat might remember a particular person who provides food or comfort, associating them with positive emotions and forming lasting social bonds. This combination of cognitive and emotional processing suggests that cats are not only adept at learning, but also have a more sophisticated inner world than many people might assume. 13. Their tail is an indicator of mood and balance. A cat's tail is an important communication tool and a vital aid in balancing. When a cat is happy or relaxed, its tail is usually raised or slightly curved at the tip. In situations of alertness or suspicion, the tail may stand erect with fur puffed up, signaling that the cat is prepared to defend itself. When irritated or upset, cats often swish their tails quickly from side to side, indicating frustration. Besides expressing emotions, the tail plays a crucial role in a cat's balance, especially when jumping or walking on narrow surfaces. It functions as a counterweight, helping the cat adjust its center of gravity while performing agile maneuvers. 14. They are naturally territorial. Cats are extremely territorial, and this behavior is one reason why they rub their faces on objects or scratch surfaces. When they do this, they release pheromones from glands located in their faces, paws, and tails, marking the environment with their scent. This tells other cats that the territory is already claimed. Unneutered males tend to be even more possessive of their space, and territorial behavior can lead to conflicts if another cat invades their domain. Even domestic cats, who don't need to compete for resources like food or shelter, maintain this instinctive behavior of guarding their space. 15. Cats have unique personalities, just like humans. Every cat has a distinct personality shaped by its genetics, environment, and experiences. Just like people, some cats are outgoing and sociable, while others are more independent and reserved. Cats raised in calm and nurturing environments from a young age tend to be more affectionate and less anxious. On the other hand, cats that have experienced stressful situations or had little human interaction may be more cautious and distrustful. Interactions with other animals, early socialization, and even breed can influence a cat's behavior, making each one a unique individual within the species. 16. They can be trained, though differently from dogs. Contrary to the popular belief that cats are stubborn and difficult to train, they can learn behaviors and even tricks if properly motivated. Cat training, however, differs significantly from dog training, as dogs are more inclined to follow commands. With cats, positive reinforcement is key. Using tasty treats or toys as rewards can be an effective way to teach them simple commands, like sit, give paw, or even how to use the toilet. The important thing is to conduct training consistently and patiently, respecting the cat's independent nature and pace. 17. They have a strong sense of self-care. Cats' grooming behavior goes beyond personal hygiene. They spend about 30 to 50% of their waking hours licking themselves. This habit helps not only to keep their fur clean, but also to remove parasites and dirt. Additionally, licking spreads natural oils across their coat, which protects and keeps it healthy. During stressful moments, cats may increase the frequency of this behavior, using licking as a form of self-soothing. Interestingly, when one cat licks another, it is expressing a social bond, reinforcing connection and trust between them. 18. Cats can live over 15 years. The life expectancy of domestic cats has significantly increased due to advancements in veterinary care and nutrition. Cats that live indoors, away from the dangers of the streets and predators, tend to live longer. It's common for a healthy, well-fed cat with regular veterinary care to reach 15 or even 20 years of age. Some breeds, like the Siamese, are known for their longevity, and factors such as a balanced diet, weight control, and disease prevention can further extend a cat's lifespan. However, quality of life is also important, and ensuring that the cat has environmental enrichment and mental stimulation is crucial to its overall health. 19. Cats have 18 toes, but some have more. All cats have 18 toes, 5 on each front paw and 4 on each back paw. However, some cats are born with a genetic condition called polydactylism, which results in extra toes. These cats, known as polydactyls or Hemingway cats, can have up to 28 toes in total. This trait does not hinder their mobility, and in fact, some polydactyl cats are even more adept at hunting or climbing thanks to the extra toes. Polydactylism is more common in certain regions, such as New England and southwestern England, and many people believe these cats bring good luck. 20. Cats were revered in ancient Egypt. In ancient Egypt, cats were considered sacred animals associated with the goddess Badet, who represented protection, fertility, and harmony. Egyptians believed that cats possessed magical and spiritual powers capable of warding off evil. As a result, cats were treated with great respect, and anyone who harmed a cat could face severe punishments, even death. Cats were often mummified and buried with honors alongside their owners. Besides being loyal companions, cats also helped protect stored grain by hunting rats and other small rodents. The reverence for cats was so profound that when a household cat died, Egyptians would shave their eyebrows as a sign of mourning. Now that you've learned these 20 fascinating facts, it's clear that cats are much more intriguing than we might have thought, right? These mysterious and independent felines have an incredible complexity behind every purr, jump, and even the simple act of sleeping. If you were also surprised by what you discovered today, leave a comment on which fact impressed you the most. And of course, if you're passionate about cats or want to learn even more about these enigmatic creatures, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.